the radio. So we are installing an external amp to boost the woofer. Yes, you get it. We are installing an amp to boost the woofer up. This is GLE Formatic, Mercedes-Benz Formatic. Yeah, can you see it? It's raining outside, so we are walking in the car while the trains rain go away, come again another day. Yeah, so that's how we roll. We are on it. Nothing but pain stuck in this game, searching for fortune and fame. Something we all do. Nothing worth dying for. Nothing but pain stuck in this game, searching for fortune and fame. Something we all do. Nothing worth dying for. Searching for pain stuck in this game, searching for fortune and fame. Tupac Shakur. This is low to high. This is it. Yeah, you connect this. This is what gives it sound from the radio to the amp. Here is it. Look at it. It's connected here and here. Yeah. All eyes on me. If you left that, you know, you can post later. I'm a maintenance to be major, baby. I'm a black man. I do what I love doing. In our Otana. Utuana loya kita inwe kichena adema America and ocha. I cannot do it like the Oyibos. They have all it takes. They have everything. Iota. If he's Oyibo man, he will pack this thing inside his workshop and be doing it. But me, I'm not an Oyibo man. Not the fact that I'm not an Oyibo. I'm still a rising star, you understand? So I got to do it this way. All I have is to make sure that everything is well fixed, well coupled, you understand? Not the fact that I'm not an Oyibo, I'll now do rubbish work for you. No, I don't do that. As you are looking at me taping it, I'm doing it very tight, the way that you won't find any issue. Even if I do it neat, very very neat, you understand? Not that I'm doing it anyhow. No, I'm not doing it anyhow. You see, one thing you don't know in life is that if we do it anyhow, it will cause problem for us, you understand? It will cause problem, get it? So I got to do it this way so that everything will be in good position and in accordance to what I'm doing, in accordance to the way it's supposed to be, you understand? Yeah, I'm Choice. Yeah, but I'm Choose God. You can call me Choice. That is it. Yeah. Alright, let's keep rolling. Keep it rolling. Why not, sir?